Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from the Pipedrive CRM system to Zoho Inventory. This is necessary to automatically transfer new deals from Pipedrive to other systems. For example, in Zoho Inventory, to create new contacts each time a new deal is added to Pipedrive, it is convenient to store, process and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Select Pipedrive as the data source system. Next, you need to select an action, Get Deals New. At this point, you need to connect your Pipedrive account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you must specify the domain and API key. In order to get this data, you need to go to your Pipedrive account. Copy domain from address bar. Please note that the domain must be copied without additional characters. Then paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. Now you need to specify the API key. We return to the Pipedrive system. Go to the Personal Preferences section on the API tab. Copy the API key and paste it into the corresponding field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. There are no additional settings for the Pipedrive system, so just click Edit and Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so just click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for your transaction from Pipedrive. If everything suits you, click Continue. This completes the Pipedrive data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Zoho Inventory as the data ingestion system. Next, select the Create Contact action. At this stage, you need to connect your Zoho Inventory account to the ApiX-Drive service. Enter your username and password. Give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Pipedrive. In order to assign a variable, click on the field to which you need to transfer data and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also enter values manually. To go to the next line, press Enter. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Edit and Continue. At this stage, we see the test data that will be sent to Zoho Inventory. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Zoho Inventory. We go to the Zoho Inventory personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.